Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change app icon badges in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First, see here over the app and at the right corner, okay, right upper corner, you will see some numbers. Okay, here 4 is displaying, here 1 is displaying, here 254 is displaying. Okay, that means number of notifications received for this. Okay, so that is displaying here. Suppose if you would like to change this number to just dot, yes, you can do it. What you do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen. Go to home screen, and here you will find app icon badges. Just select it, and here you will find another option dot. So here after dot will be showing for new update if anything. Okay, so instead of number of notifications, only dot is showing. Okay, so it is better to use number because how many new notifications you have received from particular app, you will easily understand it. Okay, to display number, again go to the settings, then go to home screen and go to app icon badges and keep in number, so that numbers will be showing in the right upper corner. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.